Hi guys, Beans here. Oh wait, I should look at the camera screen. Hi guys, Beans here. We're out in the woods, and I just want to let you know that the Cheesy Desert Cooking Vlog is where I'm posting all my new content, so you should check it out. I will link it somewhere, I don't know, around here, something like that. But I'm gonna still use Dutton Brothers to post some dumb shit. I don't know, whatever I feel like posting. So, here you go. Have some Instagram stories that I made. Maybe you like it. Who gives a shit? Whatever.
Why do I have to go furniture shopping? Why can't you just leave me alone?
I like this rug.
Do you think the price is fair? Oh. Yeah, do you have to go to the bathroom?
No, why?
Because it looks like you have to tinkle. Pee-pee.
They have modern curved slippers.
Jackie, you look cold. Are you cold?
No.
Well, next time I'll pack a throw. Do you like this lamp?
No.
Well, you don't seem to care at all. Hey, Jackie.
What?
Have you ever seen a rug so beautiful? That's it for today, guys. Make sure you check out the Cheesy Desert Cooking Vlog, where I post new content every Thursday. Blah, blah, blah. Pinecone, I say, go and subscribe, because fuck, walking up on a hill is a stupid idea. But subscribe because, you know, you're a sexual being. Okay, that's weird. Oh, bye.
It ain't my fault.